What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate posts for your social media accounts. First of all, you need to identify your niche. So let's say I have a channel or I have an account or Facebook on fitness. So I write in fitness and nutrition based posts. So I'll go to ChatGPT and tell it to write me 10 Facebook posts about nutrition. Okay, click enter. And ChatGPT will generate 10 posts, okay, all with like emojis and hashtags and everything. And you can even edit the post, so you can go and read up each post, and then you can let it iterate on or focus on one post to write you more posts like it. So let's say I like the post number 8 about nuts. I can tell ChatGPT to write me more posts like number 8. Then hit enter. It'll start generating similar posts and create for you more posts similar to the post that you chose. And you can even choose a post and make it like more detailed. Here these posts are like small nuggets that you can post daily. However, you can choose one or choose all of them and make ChatGPT write them longer and more detailed.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.